Welcome everyone to More with Less. This is a short, ornamental beautification edition, but it's all about saving money with some of the foods that you enjoy during the summer. I plant tomatoes. I planted peppers. This year I didn't plant bell peppers. I planted jalapenos. But if you are in an apartment and you have a window box and you plant herbs and spices, if you have a small backyard and you have planters and you put some tomatoes and you put some peppers in those, if you have a regular garden and you grow tomatoes to make lots of sauces and you're going to can, no matter what you're doing, it's beautifying your yard and it's helping you reduce the costs of your foods during the summer. And honestly, we all know that a homegrown tomato is better than a hothouse tomato. So I have tomatoes here. I have Romas. I have regular tomatoes. I think they're better boys. And I also have cherry tomatoes. And then I also have some jalapeno peppers this year. And really want to encourage you, save money, beautify your yard, have a great garden, and enjoy fresh produce during the later part of the summer by raising some of your own. Just a short encouragement. You don't have to be a great green thumb. A little bit of fertilizer and keep it watered, and you'll have something that you can enjoy looking at and eating. I have more tomatoes than I need. I'm probably going to wash them. My daughter says just simply wash them, freeze them, bring them back out, run them through a blender, and I can make, she makes a really good pasta sauce. So I'm gonna give that a try with the tomatoes that I have that are extras. Gonna make a little pico de gallo with my jalapeno peppers, and you can also seed those and freeze those. So yeah, just another short in front of my house, near my gardens, little riff for you today. I hope you enjoy it. Make sure you subscribe, press the like button, and I look forward to having you join me on this More with Less journey.